oil separator catch can. And this kit is actually for F-150 EcoBoost, Bronco, Raptor, that kind of thing. But the reason I went with that is because it has the same connectors. I'm gonna get back to them with my fitment and whatever, and they may just be convinced to produce a Maverick kit. So I think I can adapt everything pretty easily, and it should be pretty straightforward, I think. The hose we're dealing with goes from right here to right here on the intake. So there's essentially no graceful way to undo these clips. Off. So that's it. I mean, I think that'll be just fine.